Engine 28 respond.
Engine 28.
Engine 28, stage at 95th Street.
$37.
Deputy 37.
Who's my medic? Where are you coming from?
185s were coming from the back log. They're flipping around, and I got 114s on the way as well.
Okay. Just let 25s and 114s know. I got a vehicle heavy rear end damage. I got 2 children to be evaluated. I have a father. I have a 56-year-old female with loss of consciousness. Some of them are being in the accident. We're executed from the car now.
Okay.
Engine 28. Engine 28. Chief 37, engine 28.
Yeah.
Chief 37, look.
Chief 37.
See if you can get the 22nd to come up to 95th Street. You got cars trying to turn around all over the place.
Okay.
Engine 28, you kidding me? You just committed to 95 and you were told to stand by?
Proceed, Chief. We got ESPs on board.
I don't care what you got on board. You were told to stand by.
Yeah, receive. We're committed to 95.
Yeah, like I can see that.
Affirmative, Chief.
Chief 37 to Deputy 37.
Thank you.
Yeah, when you get a minute, call my phone.
Okay.
Chief 37, Assistant 28. Look, you can put me standing by at 95th Street, where engine 28 should be.
Okay, Chief 37.
Chief 37 from Assistant 28.
Yeah,
I'm standing by at my station.
I'll be there in a couple minutes. Chief 37, why should you make me available?
Okay, Chief 37.